Hello and welcome to another update on FET. The FETCH.AI chart is currently showing a little bit of a pullback. I mean, today we are witnessing some selling pressure in the crypto sector, but nothing major. I mean, this chart is still in a range. It hasn't really done anything significant since early May. I mean, for 4 weeks now. While it was interesting before, we've just been consolidating. So I shared with you over the last few days in the updates that there is a resistance area and we can see some further downside here. Actually, it's quite likely, especially as long as we respect this resistance area. Resistance is defined between 83.6 and 95.3 cents. That's the standard resistance area here relevant for this B wave bounce. And that means the focus is on this support area between 42.2 cents and 62.6 cents. Yeah, we do have an initial 5-wave advance from the April low. So we have 5 waves up in this white A wave. And then this could now be a B wave pullback. I mentioned it before, we have 3 waves down in A. Could the B wave have topped? Yes, maybe. I'm exploring other ideas like a triangle pattern as well. So it's possible this B wave forms some kind of a triangle before we go down. But yeah, overall, I see no impulsive price action from any of the recent swing lows. I did say before there seem to be 2 groups of coins, some of which have already reached their support areas. FET is in the group of coins that have not reached their support areas. Another one is, for example, the WIF, dog WIF hat chart, which looks very similar because there is simply no reliable bottoming structure here. This kind of triple bottom structure is just not a reliable bottoming structure. These get often taken out, these swing lows, and there is also no impulsive reaction. Also, what you can see is that the price is forming lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So it just cannot break above any of these previous swing highs. And now we see some selling pressure. And therefore, we have a really good chance to reach, first of all, this previous swing low around 70.7 cents. And if the market breaks below this area, these swing lows, take them out, then the focus can shift to this lower support area, which, as I said, is defined between 42.2 cents and 62.6. I'm not convinced yet that Circle Wave B has really topped, so the microstructures might shift a little bit. Also, what is still possible is one more high in Yellow Wave A. I'm still calling that an alternative, so therefore the analysis and the chart actually expressed quite clearly that one more low is quite likely, right? That hasn't changed. While one more high is possible, I don't see the direct pathway or roadmap the market could take. I mean, anything is possible, but the path of least resistance seems to be to the downside, and therefore I think it's quite likely that we're going to test this red line, and the break below, means that we are likely going to move towards this wave B support area. Essentially, we have to be a bit patient here. The market is still working clearly through a correction and the overall parameters have not changed. So yeah, that's the update on FET. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.